purchased a DT Swiss Ratchet Freehub upgrade for half price. Psychology has always dealt with specialized bikes. It's nothing like seeing your local bike shop restocked fully again. Oh, one moment. Excuse me, y'all. I just go crazy for solid white carbon fiber bikes. Shells and accessories completely restocked fully. And it looks like everything is running very smoothly. Being located right next to Silver Comet Trail, commuter bikes, road bikes, and gravel bikes now seem to be a very big thing. But it looks like recently they've also become a supplier for felt mountain bikes. And that's wonderful, being as though I own two. Another white carbon fiber bike. Okay, I came to get bike work done. And let me get out of here before I leave with something that I shouldn't. Inside the upgrade kit, you get the HG Freehub body shell, Molly Coat special grease, axle spacer, two springs, and 36 tooth star ratchets. This is a 3-pole locking ring that I didn't have the tool to remove. With the ratchet locking ring installed at the bike shop, I installed the spring, I put ample grease on the star ratchets, then I massaged the grease into the gear. I installed both ratchets. I installed the second spring inside of the Freehub body and start to assemble things back together. Then I installed the NX Eagle cassette. When everything is done, reassemble the rear wheel back on the bike. Now let's see how she sounds. I didn't make this upgrade for the hub sound. I did it for purpose of engagement. While making this upgrade, I noticed a problem. My GX shifter has very little play and is ready to shift. My NX shifter is the same way, very little play, ready to shift. My SX shifter has a whole lot of dead space. I have to change this. So what do y'all think? How should I handle that before the next video when I do the review? To let you know how I feel with the 36 2-star Ratchet. Now let me take it out on Pumpkin Vine Trail and see how it feels.